Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading. My name is Mokoena, the founder of Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description.
Are you there?
Yo, I've been waiting for you. You've been logging in like for 30 minutes, but unmuted.
Yeah, I've been unmuted. I was trying to figure out to unmute and all that, but I'm fine now.
Hi. I should have just took an advantage to unmute you.
Yeah, maybe you should have done that because at times I tend to struggle with that button. Now unmute. So yeah, that could be really helpful if you can unmute.
Yo. Hey my guy, I'm tired, man. Yo.
So how was work?
Yo, man. Yo, that's a lot. It's a lot, man. Yo, it's a lot.
So it's a lot of work.
Yo, it's a lot, my guy. Yo. It's a lot.
And you need to work, man. You need to work.
Man.
That's how you survive.
Yo. You know,
I just can.
This thing of partnership, my guy, it requires many things. It requires a proper preparation.
This thing of what?
The partnership thing.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I fully agree, man. Like you need to work. Yeah, I can.
It needs a proper preparation. Doesn't play with you.
You need to work. I want a choice. You need to work. You need to put in the work.
Yes. But then, this is what I was preparing for. So I think I should never say I'm tired.
I want to. Put in the energy and the effort and see you tell them
Yeah. And there's this word called self-efficacy. Do you know what's that word?
Self-efficacy.
Yeah.
Not the first time you can it, but care to explain?
No. It's like you have the levels. If you're a person, you have a levels of which now you have an ability to do things that you are preparing for yourself. So meaning you have an ability in a certain way that you want to participate in many situations. Like it's called self-efficacy.
Yeah.
So now I need that thing, man. The ability to work, to multitask, to do things. But then yeah, man, I can't.
I mean, you figure it out. You figure it out.
Yeah,
it's part of the game. That's how things are.
All right. No. Okay. Nonetheless, hey, are you good, man?
Yeah, I'm awesome, brother man. It's the second time we put that question here.
Is it?
Yeah, you did ask me before.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Hey
man, there's a lot, man. How would the answer say there's a lot to do? It's a lot. All right. No, okay. Yesterday, I love one of the topic that we've been speaking about, which was the topic of the candlestick patterns. No, it's not yesterday. Yeah. It's a day before yesterday, ne?
Yeah, because yesterday we didn't have that session.
Yeah. So I love the fact that we spoke about the prop firm. I love the fact that we spoke about the candlesticks, how they manipulate in terms of higher high, higher lows, and then lower low, lower highs in terms of the implementing the emotions in your trading journey. Yeah. So I love the fact that we did touch there's something called the trading journal and the trading plan, and I just want to conclude it just a bit before we can continue. So a trading plan, I love trading plan because if you have a trading plan, set aside or written aside. It simply means that you know if the market reaches the support, your trading plan, it plans that the price or your execution, you should execute in that specific period or in that specific area of price. Okay, so it's a trading
Yeah.
plan. So you need to abide it. You need to obey whatever that you're writing down as part of your trading plan, and you should never ever change it. And you need to obey exactly as you want to plan. So a trading plan, I think it's okay, because a trading plan keeps you away from emotions, because sometimes we execute the market because of the emotions. Say just like a trend like this, ne? A trend like this. Your machine says, hey, sell.
Yeah.
And then now you sell, it says,
It
you
buys. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how the market is, man.
You
It
see?
actually hints on our psychology and our emotions.
Yeah. So a trading plan, it's a plan whereby you stick in a plan whenever the market is going down. But if sell is not your part of your trading plan for today, don't execute it.
Yeah.
Don't execute it, because now you are entering with emotions and you're gonna get out with emotions. That's it.
But avoiding emotional trading is one of the hardest things to do, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, that one. Yo. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it is. So look at GBP USD, ne? So let me just quickly do this. So GBP USD, can you see the market has been consolidating within a range from December,
I can
of December. Can you see that? It's been like consolidating. So we know if when we the market approachers or retail traders, we thought that if I bought, I sold, I bought, I sold, I sold, I could have made a lot of money. But then when the market starts to do that, you would never do it.
That's true. I follow what we don't actually respect what the market gives us in most cases. We want the market to like react the way we want it to react. I agree, bro.
So yeah, but then I think I'm going to execute on either of the ways. If the market breaks this resistance, becomes a support, that's where I'm going to execute. Why I'm saying that is because on a daily time frame, it gives me that let me do this. It gives me that the market will continue going upside. You can see.
Yeah,
it gives me that the market will continue going upside. So if it breaks that resistance, okay, so now I know that I'm going to hold once until to this bigger resistance on a weekly time frame, which is 1.39900. Okay, so but then if the market or the price breaks this support zone, so that simply means that I am going to sell, because now it confirms, it confirms that the market will go up until this trend line. Can you see this trend line?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, this trend line. So I'm going to hold once until here from 1.22050. So I'm gonna hold it, like I am going to hold that one. So I'm still tracking it, even if I'm at work, my guy. I'm looking at the market. Okay, so I even set an alert that if the market breaks in either ways, it gives me a signal. Then I just bump into the Metatrader and then I execute, because I know I know already. I've done the analysis. Okay, I've done the analysis. So there's no way to reanalyze the trading plan. No. My plan is, if it does break this, I'm buying. If it does break the support, then I'm selling, because it's been consolidating. Yo, my guy. Now imagine December, and this is the daily time frame. Look at it.
It's been a long time, but like, yeah, it's bad, man.
Yo,
It's really bad.
yo,
The bigger you see that, it's gonna be aggressive.
yo. And the dollar now
It's
is fighting back. Like, it's really fighting back.
King, right? It's king, man. The dollar is king.
Yo, it's
Nothing
really
else.
fighting.
Dollar will always be king.
So what's your
Really
insight? What's your
Okay,
insight?
on my side, I'm looking for like an uptrend as well.
As well, ne?
Yeah, I'm looking for an uptrend as well. After this period of the range, I'm looking for like a side break. Yeah.
And let me tell you, ne, I'm going to execute with 0.02 or 0.03. Then I'm done, and then I'm going to hold.
That's your like your initial lot size that you feel comfortable with.
Meaning on this particular setup, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, on this particular setup, I'm going to execute with 0.02, or if I'm happy that day, then 0.03.
Okay, man. I hear you.
Yeah. But in either ways, remember the trading plan says in either ways, because we don't know the market is going to break.
Okay. That's true.
That's
true. But overall, the sentiments are like buy the pound. The pound is currently the strongest currency amongst all these other currencies. So hence you saying like it's gonna continue on the upside, there's a high chance because investors acknowledge there's like the war that's going on, the Red Sea war. So investors are putting their money where like it's safer, called the safe haven. The pound is a safe haven. So hence this is gonna continue buying, man. Yeah, but then hey, you never know, but we never know. We cannot see the future, man. At the end of the day, we can't see the future.
No, but then let us wait for the breakouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us wait for the breakout. As you say that we're not going to foresee the future, but then let us wait for the breakout. If it breaks, that resistance becomes support, then that's where now we're going to execute that trade. And then the reason why I'm saying 0.02 or 0.03 is because GBP USD, I don't trust it.
Yeah.
I don't trust that pair. I rather trade GBP JPY with 0.10, ne? Or 0.20.
Why don't you trust like them too? The pair.
Sorry?
Why don't you trust this pair, but there's nothing wrong with this pair.
No, there's nothing wrong about it, but there's something wrong about the setup because it might do this, ne? Let me tell you this. It might do this. Okay, it might do this. There's a possibility, man. There is a possibility.
So reverse like elsewhere, like where there's no support or resistance whatsoever.
It can, yeah, it can. Trust me, it can. I don't trust GBP USD. Remember, those pairs are the strongest pairs in the whole world, both of them. Okay, so they are fighting for each other. Yeah, so hence I say I'm going to execute with 0.02, or if I'm happy on that day, 0.03. Okay, so I'm done. Then I'm holding. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Kicks me out, takes profit. It's up to the market. Okay. Yeah. But then GBP JPY, if GBP is the strongest in this specific week, I'm going to execute with 0.10 because one, I don't rely on it, but I trust it in 10%. Two, I know that if the GBP is very strong, it's very strong to beat the JPY. Okay.
Yeah.
Three, I know JPY it doesn't have that liquidity as much as GBP USD.
Hey.
You understand?
But we'll just see. We can never know what the market will do, man.
Yeah.
No one knows what the market can do, bro. Like you never know what the market will react. In as much as you've plotted resistance there, it might actually like go back. You never know, man. So we'll just see what happens like afterwards, because there's significant data coming out tomorrow. So maybe after tomorrow's data, then the market
Tomorrow?
will actually have a clear direction.
What is it?
But, yeah. Yeah?
What is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow is
About
the
GBP
PCG or PCE.
on Friday.
It's called or PCG.
Oh, this one, ne? 330.
Yeah. PCE.
Yeah,
price
it's a
index.
core PCG price index.
Yeah, that one is also powerful, man. You can actually, yeah. So we'll just see what happens after that. Maybe we might actually get a clear direction.
Or after that.
Yeah. Because now no one knows what's gonna happen in the market, man. We all don't have a clue what's gonna happen in the market. No one has the slightest idea what's gonna happen in the financial market.
Yeah.
So we'll just see how the market reacts and what the market gives us in future.
Yeah, true. But remember, patience pays, man. It pays.
Yeah, I fully agree on that, man.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna doubt it. You need to be patient and like wait your edge.
So you want us to go to your hourly time frame?
Yeah, please, man.
Yeah, I can see there's something that I didn't finish up. So it's like a task that I have to go to 15 minutes time frame. I know you.
Hey, bro. Do the thing, man.
Yo, Emma, look at this consolidation.
Yeah, it's really been a long back.
Imagine. Look at this, man. So look at this.
But it's the market, man. It's always. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah,
actually came back and retested that, went down.
This is why I say I don't trust GBP USD, because it has many fake breakouts. Many. I've tried it. I've back tested it. I can see it has many fake breakouts.
Man, it's an aggressive currency pair, bro. It's really an aggressive currency pair. There's no one like the GBP pound. Yeah, this pair can move, man.
Can kick you out.
Yeah.
Yo, look at this consolidation, man.
But then some people, more especially people that actually trade using robots. Robots know when to buy high and when to sell low in a range. So most people that actually got rewarded here are people that trade using like robots. Yeah.
And the funny thing about the robot, the robot, number one, you have to back test it for as much as you can. Okay, that's the robot. Okay. Secondly, the robot, you have to set the lot size position, because if you don't set it, it's going to execute with whatever the market is giving it. I've been trying them. I've been trying them. Yeah, I've been trying those things. I don't love those things, because if you don't set a position number to execute, it executes for themselves. If you don't see the market one lot, 1.00, okay, and then auto trading, it will execute with that specific one lot on that pair that you set on that robot, whatever.
Or it's gonna trade by itself sometimes.
Yeah, I don't like those things.
Yeah, the robot is something else. Then I could never trade using like a robot, but like those things are too risky. It's better like trading yourself by yourself. The robot does not deal with emotions, but it does not use emotions as a way of trading.
Yeah.
So that's one advantage of trading with a robot. You never use emotions whatsoever. So that's also beneficial, man. You see.
USD. Let me just go to the other. Okay.
Oh, you're trying to like okay,
yeah. So yeah. Okay. So how I see this, man, according to my analysis, ne? I don't know. You have deposited.
No,
Okay.
but I'm gonna wait, man. I'm tired of donating money, but I think maybe I should get the skill first, then I'll see what the market holds afterwards.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, in this case, it's hard to analyze GBP USD from 1 hour, because now 1 hour is giving me a structure that I don't understand. It's giving me the structure that I don't understand.
Then it's doing lower lows and lower highs, but you did say yourself yesterday, nah, we shouldn't actually like follow this lower lows and lower highs. They are nonsensical. Those were your weights, more ban. So yeah, you don't actually need anything. But I was looking at the USD JPY, that sell that you actually like offered on your group, but like it's been going, man. It's going down, it's dropping.
USD JPY.
Yeah. No, to GBP JPY.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
they're actually going down. I just observed it, you see. But it's still within the range. But after that break, obviously it's gonna break, but it's definitely going down.
Oh, Shone.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure it's still gonna go down.
Yeah, 100% sure.
100, but like obviously, man, it's overbought. That concept of overbought and oversold still exists, man. There's a high probability of it. Actually, look at that uptrend, man. Like, look at that uptrend. From 109, from 179 till 189. So there was like a massive uptrend. So
yeah, it was massive, ne?
Oh, imagine someone that caught it like on that low, man. Oh.
Yeah, I did board here. I did board, and then I was
remember
out.
you exited somewhere there. Yo,
I was out. You still remember there was analysis like this on the group? There was analysis like
I remember, yeah.
And then and then I said if it breaks this triangle, and then it's a huge move upwards. And then I did board, like I bought. I did. And then I just hold. I benefit more, and then I just closed it, ne? And then after that,
yeah,
I remember I've executed with 0.01. Do you still remember that trade?
Yeah, I remember. You even got out with $6 profit.
It was way. I didn't close it.
For real?
Yeah.
Remember,
0.01 was 2 layers. I closed only 1 layer, and then I posted on the group, okay, on that day.
Nice.
And then, yo, my guy, yo. But I closed the order because of this consolidation, because I didn't clearly understood what's happening on that consolidation range thing.
Yeah.
I closed it, but still with 0.01. Yo, I closed the time. It was 30 something. It was 30 something US.
You still 8, bro. Like you still 8. That's more important than anything. Eating.
Milking.
You should eat, bro. You should eat. If the market offers you profit, you should take them.
Milk the market.
Yeah. As always, man. As always.
You don't remember that lady? Don't be mad.
Yeah, man. If you want to milk the market will milk you. You'll be the biggest cow. I remember. I will never forget like that podcast. I will never ever like forget it. That lady clearly said that no one milks the market. If you're planning on milking the market, you'll be the biggest cow.
You'll be the biggest cow.
Yeah, man. I fully agree. But the markets are like hard. Man. It's not easy trading the financial markets. Definitely not easy trading.
You know what? In my perspective view, I think all the retail traders are skilled. with whatever the skill that they are coming into the market. They are all skilled, okay? It's just that the greedy caught us, okay? Secondly, the over trading, which is over lot sizing the trades, it's what makes us not to survive the losses, okay? And then if you are, the market pulls you out, that's where the market goes to your favor, and already you are out of big losses. This is why we tend to deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit after deposit. It's because of it. We are over lot sizing.
But you should be trading on like smaller lot sizes.
Yeah.
Your recommendation.
Yeah, smaller lot size, my guy. Because the smaller lot size, remember, it was defined by the initial balance that you have. Okay. Yeah. It's by the initial balance that you have. So meaning this is like taking a loan from the bank. Okay. So you know you earn 15K, but then the loan that you want to you inquire about a loan that is 100,000, and then they say you're gonna pay 15%. Oh, come on, man. How are you going to live? Okay. Besides that, how are you going to live? How are you going to survive? You're gonna struggle. Yeah, you're gonna struggle. This is why most of the people who are working are the most strugglers ever, more than people who are unemployed, because we want to consume a lot of money, and on top of that, we know exactly that we cannot repay back as much as we can, because we end up getting to something called umashonisa, and therefore after that mashonisa batachelta, even the bank wants its own money. Yo,
man, it's hard out there, bro.
It's hard.
It's hard. Yeah.
It's hard.
But
so I think we are skilled. We are all skilled, man. We are all skilled. When it comes to technical analysis, price action, we all skilled. We all skilled. I'm telling you.
So why do we struggle so much, man?
We struggle because of over trading. We struggle because of the greediness. That's the thing, man. That's the thing. There's a point that you spoke about last. You said to me, the time I came to you, you said to me, most of the prop firm traders, 95% of them, they lose their account. They fail the challenges. Why is that? Yeah, it's because we are over leveraging. We are over trading. We are over lot sizing. That's the thing. We think that if you have 10K, you have a lot. No, you don't have a lot. You don't, because you have an overall loss, which is BOMA 5%. If you calculate that 5% out of 10K, this is what you have basically, not 10K.
Yeah.
You see? So we are over lot sizing.
Thing is, we want to grow our accounts like quickly, man. Like no one wants to be left behind, considering that these gurus make 500,000 over like a week. Some gurus claim that they've made 1.2 million in their first 3 months. So that level of pressure is the thing that makes us hairy. So we don't want to be left behind. No one wants to be left behind, man. We all want to be successful in this thing.
And we love this thing of a doubling account in South Africa. And in most cases, the South Africans are the ones who make that thing. And we think that we are good in trading. No, we are not good, because it's not sustainable. That thing is not sustainable.
The concept of doubling.
Yeah, the concept of doubling account, it's not sustainable, man. Trust me.
But then the Forex market, man, like it has opportunities for you to like double your account whenever you want.
Yeah, they are, ne? I fully agree with you. They are, but we tend to over leverage. So the over leverage is something. Sometimes the signal that you execute is the same signal that the market is going to make. Okay, but because of the leveraging, you can't afford to hold the losses because of the leverage, and that brings the emotions inside. And you end up closing.
You're preaching today, man. You're preaching. Today you're preaching, bro. I hear you, man. I hear you. You're preaching. You're preaching. You're saying wait, man. Wait.
But I'm saying things that we need, things that are true, bitch. Those
Yeah.
are things are true. Okay.
No lie.
Yeah, those are true. Are true.
Mm.
So, I was saying that we are skilled as retail traders. That's one thing I can tell you. We are skilled, okay? Because a skilled person is someone who can be able to participate in something, okay, without even asking the external people, okay? So meaning we are skilled. Just we are struggling to handle the rules that the market is giving us. Remember, the market is giving you the rules that are not even there. You can't even read the rules on the chart, but are there.
Yeah. That's true. No lie, man.
Yeah, they are there. So
Everything that you need in the financial market is like readily available for you. Just need to practice risk management. You need to discipline yourself. Then you can win, man. But then those things are hard to implement. It's easier for us to talk about them, but when it comes to implementation, it's one of the hardest things to do, man. Trading is the hardest career in the entire world. See, some people even say you're just scared because you know it yourself, like this is not an easy way to make money. Yeah,
so
definitely
there was a say, I don't know if you heard about it, né? There was a say that the FXCA, you know, is one of the financial institute that regulates the financial brokers, the banks, and any other institute like lending money and whatever. So
yeah,
the FSCA revealed a disclaimer that if you are a partnership of a broker, or if you teach on YouTube, you have many subscribers on YouTube, put a disclaimer that you are not a financial advisor. If you want one of the financial advisor, go and find a registered financial advisor under the FSCA. So there's this two channel that the FXCA requested from YouTube to break it, because each and every video that the person is posting on YouTube, there's no disclaimer there. Okay, so meaning he has like 100,000 plus 100,000 YouTube subscribers, and then he makes something called a live webinar on YouTube, and then he tells people to buy, like buy. I was one of the people who joined that webinar, man.
yeah.
Did
but you buy it
last year? It's last year. So the YouTube name, it was revealed on what's this, business news. I think it's business news. I can't remember that news channel, né? on DSTV. Yeah. So this is one of the things that we need to be aware of them when we post YouTube, when we are mentors, when we teach people about finance. Okay, so put a disclaimer. Put a disclaimer, because if you have a disclaimers on your videos, then the FSCA has no right to request YouTube or Google to break down to break your YouTube subscribers. They have no right, because you have a disclaimer on each and every video you post.
I had no idea, man. That's the first time me hearing of that.
Serious, like there are videos that I've been posting on the group, né? Those are my videos. So if you watch the video, there's a disclaimer I'm putting, like each and every time there's a disclaimer, because I want to be protected by the disclaimer. So disclaimer, it's a written warning. Okay, it's just a basic written warning that warns people, or I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, even the company is not one of the financial experts.
Man, like it's really difficult, bro.
Yo, it's very difficult.
one thing I realized about giving out financial advice, you're at risk at the end of the day because those people can actually sue you because you're actually misusing your information for them to lose their money. So yeah, they can actually sue you, man.
Yeah, they can. They have authority, man. Yeah, they have authority, the jurisdiction upon you. You are nothing. Even if you are a millionaire, you are nothing. To them, you are nothing. So, watch this late episode on top traders. There's someone they spoke about, ne? Is one of the people who are doing an investigation on people who are scammers. Okay, the guy what he's doing is this: if you are a mentor and you running a mentorship online, he joins it. Okay, after joining it, he knows exactly that you're going to host a webinar. Okay, so if you are an affiliate, he's going to expose you. If this guy, if you giving a wrong information or false information about the markets to people who have no idea about the market, he's actually exposing you. Okay, like he's finding things that are not relevant to the market. If you are selling like the type of robots and all of those things, he's exposed you. But he's one of the students that subscribe to your mentorship.
Imagine.
Listen to that latest broadcast, not the yesterday one. Ne? I think it's the day before yesterday. Yeah, they spoke about
South Africa. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely visit it, man. Because that's where on that channel, but you actually get to hear the experiences that these traders went through. There are challenges about the market. Like you're not the only one that's actually struggling. They've actually struggled prior to you coming to the market. So yeah, it actually helps, man. Like Yuka once about these people giving out motivations and all that, telling you about their trading journey. Some of them stealing over 10,000 from their mothers so that they can fund their account. They can figure like that.
And most of traders who are successful out there, they are successful because of mentorship fee.
That's true. That's how you make money. Like you can't consistently make money out of the financial markets. It's like impossible.
Never.
Like impossible. Making money consistently out of the market. That's the hardest thing you can do, man. I agree.
Remember, we are competing with the big banks, big dogs, man. Who are you? With a free Wi-Fi.
You are nothing. In the scale of like money, you are nothing. Nothing, bro.
Yo, man.
These people can outsmart you're competing with the smartest people in the world, but they are trying to take money away from you. So
people don't know what drives the price, man. Yo.
It's hard, but trading is hard. Actually, us retail traders make trading hard. Because we actually trade based on our emotions instead of following a certain principle, certain guidelines to assist. Going down, it's falling straight. It has fallen like overall like 80 pips or so. Damn. Okay. I'd fail. I'd fail, no lie. But if I'd fail straight.